In this project, we're going to be working with equations and trying to figure things out based upon a set equation. So if you look at what we have here, we're going to be calculating a monthly car payment where A is the amount of the loan, R is an interest rate. Remember, when you have interest rates, you need to convert those to percentage or to decimals. So they're in percents, you need to convert them to decimals by moving the decimal point 2 places to the left. N is the number of months. So with the equation, we can fill all of these things in. And it looks really confusing, but if you follow order of operations and do each part separately, so if you do the R divided by 12 and find that number and put it down, and then you do what's under inside the parentheses, do inside the parentheses first. So do the R divided by 12 again, add it to 1, and then do the exponent, and then multiply. You should be able to get that pretty well done and be effective doing that. So doing car payments, we're going to be given the information of what their amount of the loan is, how many months, and trying to calculate their payment. And later on, you're going to be asked to figure the total cost. So what you're going to do is you're going to figure the monthly payment and then multiply it by the number of months to get the total cost. Because that cost is going to include interest, it's going to be more than what they purchased the car for. So again, find the monthly payment and then multiply by the number of months they used the loan, and you'll be able to do that effectively.